Okay, so here's the start point for today's video. There's the impressive Hilton Hotel. No real music going on now, looks as though they're just setting up. Quite busy again with tourists here. At 40 to 60 baht. Some seafood here. Oh, look at those. Good early evening from here in Hua Hin, Thailand. So it's just before 6 p.m. and what I'm going to feature in tonight's video for you is a beach walking tour from the rear entrance to the prestigious 5-star Hilton Hotel to where there's currently a Hua Hin Jazz Festival taking place. So this is just going to be a small stretch of the beach right at the back of the Hilton Hotel. Beautiful beach location, white sand beach, lots of rock formations on the beach and in the ocean. So that'll be my starting point, and we're just going to gradually walk along a small section of beach up to where the people would normally relax on the sun lounges during the day and have the food. There is a collection of restaurants there. That's probably not going to be too busy at this time of day now. However, once I get up to where the jazz festival's taking place, ooh la la, you're going to see lots of people, lots of tourists enjoying a good selection of food and drinks from that area there. I'm going to feature all of that in tonight's video, and I shall finish at where the actual jazz festival stage performance is going to be taking place. Not too sure we'll see any performance because it's probably a bit too early for my walk. But just going to give you a general idea of this beach section from the Hilton to where the jazz festival is taking place. This is an absolutely beautiful beach location here in Hua Hin. So without any further ado, let's go and take a beach stroll here in Hua Hin. Okay, so here's the start point for today's video. There's the impressive Hilton Hotel, a 5-star Hilton here in Hua Hin. And the security guard, so we can't get any further than this. There's your beach location outside of the Hilton. Very, very nice. The sun has just set and we're going to walk along the beach in this direction. Impressive hotel, that's impressive from the front, impressive on the beach side as well here. And these beautiful rock formations in the sort of on the sand and in the ocean. Family's just here now with the kids on the rocks. And this area is not too busy now because they've already packed up for the day. Usually this is very, very busy. A lot of people sitting, relaxing, sunbathing on the beach, having their drinks and food. And we have all of these rock formations. And taking the photos, just take you down to the ocean. Very nice, clean ocean. And just carry on walking now up towards the jazz festival area. So like I say, this area will be very busy during the day. I was here the other day, I featured it in a little section of video. It was very, very busy on the beach. Not so busy now. This is the main section here. You can see a couple there just relaxing. Do have menus as well here for ordering your food. So we're very busy now. The guys are playing football on the beach there. And a little bit more busy now in this section. Let's give you a look back at the Hilton. There's an impressive Hilton Hotel. Quite a few people in this area here. There's also horse rides. There's a group here. Here's one horse. And the picture taken with it there. Do have some more up here. Few there for your horse rides. And then here's where the jazz festival is located. It's very nice to have some live music at the end here. We'll hopefully, I'm not sure whether they're performing, it's maybe a little bit too early. Hancock Hospital. Some various stalls here. Some popcorn, free popcorn, perks. Welcome to Hua Hin City Water Park. Lots of people on the beach here. Some lemon honey. Some of the sweet corn here. Pad Thai, 80 baht, very cheap. Big groups here. There's a big group of Thai here. All different foods again there. Singer beer. Wow, super busy here.
อันนี้กับอันนู้นอ่ะมันต้องเป็นสีฟ้าไม่ใช่เหรอน้ำอ่ะสีเหลืองมันเดียวมันดูอันนู้นอ่ะมีแล้ว
Some fruit here. Pineapple, melon, grapefruit, some peanuts there. 40 baht for the peanuts. It's cooking on the barbecue here. Some chicken. Was it? Yeah, it's chicken, that one. It's pork as well, I think. Some seafood here. Oh, look at those. Some prawns. Many there. Wow. So it's very, very busy here. This looks like the spare ribs or pork. Some fabulous looking drinks here. Super, super busy. Oh, that's a big cooking pan. Mr. Octopus. Some foods again here. Mixed nachos. Pork burgers. Wow. It's the grapefruit, 80 baht for the grapefruit. Coconut as well. Different juices, coconut and orange, 35 or 3 for 100. There's got to be some fries there. Well, I think they're fries anyway, not sure. Super, super busy here. Wow. Lots of the little stalls and things here. Japanese curry. Spicy seafood. Super, super busy. Oh, tourists this. Wow. Gourmet house, culinary here. Gourmet house. Oh, we even have wine here. There's quite a few customers there. Interesting. So look back, super busy. Wow. Single lemon soda. There's the jazz festival here at the end, the music. Host, beach club and bistro there. No real music going on now, looks as though they're just setting up. Super busy. Wow. A bit more from a stage. Horse there. There's the rest of the beach heading in that direction. Oh, here's all of the music now, all of the jazz, they're all setting up. Wow. Nice. And that's the rest of Hua Hin Beach. Okay, so back at this stage now, we're going to head up along the pathway here off the beach and up to the main street. So this is what's taking place, wow, so many people, Hua Hin Jazz Festival. That's what's currently taking place here. You can see so many people heading down towards the beach. More food here again. Just a constant flow of people. Wow, I love it when it's busy. So here's all of the market stalls and things here. Selling clothes. Lots of places for food and drinks and things along here as well. Already walked down this section of street here. Many market stalls, all your typical tourist goods. There's all of your smoothie drinks and things here. 40 to 60 baht. And many. Okay, we're a bit further up the street now, so you can see still this constant flow of people coming down here. The first restaurant here. They remind me of like the warungs here, these type of places in Bali. Different things on the menu. Quite busy again with tourists here. Here as well. People here. The group here again. Some here. And here we are, we're at the end of the street now, or the start of the street if you're heading down to the beach. All the tuk-tuk drivers here. Police as well. Nice. And there we are. This is a street I come down a few days ago in a video.